Some home upgrades are easy to ignore until you notice the air feels cleaner, the room smells fresher, and your space finally feels comfortable again. That's exactly where a good dehumidifier can quietly make a big difference. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence. Today, we're looking at the Humilabs 2,000 square feet dehumidifier, a compact but capable dehumidifier designed for bedrooms, bathrooms, basements, laundry rooms, and medium-sized living spaces up to 2,000 square feet. If excess moisture, damp odors, condensation, or humid air are affecting your comfort, this is the kind of product that can genuinely improve everyday living. And if you want to check current pricing or availability, the purchase link is in the description below. Reason 1. Strong moisture removal for everyday spaces. One of the most important things with any dehumidifier is whether it can consistently control humidity without constantly struggling. This Humilabs model removes up to 30 pints of moisture per day, which makes it practical for apartments, bedrooms, bathrooms, garages, and even smaller basements. In real-world use, that means less dampness in the air, reduced musty smells, and a noticeably more comfortable indoor environment over time. Reason 2. Quiet operation that fits naturally into daily life. A lot of dehumidifiers perform well, but become difficult to live with because of constant noise. What stands out here is the low 36 dB operation during sleep mode. That's quiet enough for bedrooms or overnight use without becoming distracting. Sleep mode also turns off unnecessary lighting on the machine, creating a calmer environment at night. For anyone sensitive to background noise, this feature adds meaningful long-term value. Reason 3. Flexible modes for different situations. Instead of offering a one-size-fits-all approach, Humilabs includes 3 practical operating modes. The fast-drying mode works especially well in bathrooms or laundry areas where moisture builds up quickly. Automatic mode lets you maintain a preferred humidity level without constant adjustment, while sleep mode focuses on quiet comfort. These options make the unit feel more adaptable rather than overly complicated. Reason 4. Easy drainage and low maintenance ownership. One feature buyers often overlook is drainage convenience. This unit gives you both manual and continuous drainage options. The included drain hose allows automatic draining, which is especially useful for longer operation in humid areas like basements. If you prefer using the internal tank, the system automatically stops when full, helping prevent overflow concerns. It's a thoughtful setup that makes ownership easier over time. Reason 5. User-friendly design that feels practical. The control panel keeps things simple with only 6 clearly labeled buttons, so setup feels approachable even for first-time users. The hidden handle and 360-degree wheels also make moving the unit between rooms surprisingly convenient. Small details like the removable air filter add to the experience by helping reduce dust and hair buildup while improving long-term performance. Trusted by many 5-star reviewers, it's the kind of appliance designed to blend into everyday routines rather than complicate them. Overall, the Humilabs 30-pint dehumidifier delivers a balanced mix of performance, quiet operation, and ease of use. It may not be the ideal choice for very large commercial spaces, but for most homes, apartments, bedrooms, bathrooms, and moderate basement environments, it offers strong practical value. What makes it stand out is how approachable and livable it feels day after day. If you've been looking for a reliable way to improve comfort, reduce moisture, and create a healthier indoor environment, this is definitely one worth considering. Check the link in the description for more details, and as always, choose what fits your space and lifestyle with confidence.